In this video, we are going to see how we can use VLOOKUP in a multiple workbook setup. So I have two workbooks, one in which I need data from a list, other one is list itself. So if I can use Control tab to navigate between these videos, or I can go to video and I can go to switch video. You can see I have two workbooks open over here. So either way I can use VLOOKUP to navigate between the videos. Another way of actually using videos is we can arrange the videos. So if I click on arrange all, and I can tell that it should actually arrange vertically, so you can see both the workbooks are coming over here. So this is the best way, like fastest way of using VLOOKUP. So I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. I've maximized this. I've wrote equals to VLOOKUP. I wanted to search 105, that is employee ID, comma, and I wanted to search this thing from another specific workbook. So I can go to view and switch windows and click on this sheet and select the entire sheet from this specific workbook. So if it is a range name, it automatically selects the range name, or if it is a regular range, it will select the regular range. I have selected the entire range and I come to my workbook. I can click comma 2 comma false. Instead of false, I can also use 0. So it depends on your personal preference if you want to use 0 or false. I have closed the brackets and I have pressed enter. So now you can see that it is automatically putting the workbook name in front of the range. It is also putting the sheet name in front of the range. If any case, if I close that specific workbook, you can see that entire path, like if I double click over here, it is showing entire path of that very workbook. If I open that workbook, it automatically shows me the specific VLOOKUP without the path. If I come over here, so it is coming without the path. So this is how actually you can pull VLOOKUP list from another workbook. I'm repeating this thing, equals to VLOOKUP, search this, search where, I just switch the window to this, and search in this specific range, comma 2 comma 0 or false. One important thing to note is I don't have to press F4, or I don't have to actually put dollars myself. If I'm using an external workbook, it automatically puts dollar. So I can just copy this thing over. Now I want the salaries. I have type VLOOKUP, search this, comma, search in this specific range, comma, this is 1, 2, 3, 4th column, so I have put 4, comma, 0, bracket close. So now if you copy this thing over and you are done. So we have a shortcut key which will actually serve the purpose, that is control and tilde. So if I press control tilde, you can see that it is showing us the specific functions or formulas. You can see that entire VLOOKUP formula is coming over here, and if I again press control tilde, it will comes to normal. So in this specific video, we have learned how to use VLOOKUP in a multiple workbook setup. Thank you so much.